Welcome to the Taj Mahal.
So coming here and going inside was already a challenge, but we're here. We had the slowest tuk-tuk driver who took so many wrong streets. We didn't even know if he knows where the Taj Mahal is. We were not the first to enter as we planned, but it's still very beautiful. Now you get some facts about the Taj Mahal. So the Taj Mahal is actually not as many people think. It's kind of a monument. It's not a monument, it's not a mosque, it's actually a tomb. The Mughal Shah Jahan built this for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So this is also why it's called Taj Mahal. She was named Mahal. Because of the minarets, you could probably already figure it's a building from the Muslim belief. There's also the crescent on top of the Taj Mahal. The whole building is made out of white marble and the surrounding is made out of red sandstone. So that are all the facts I know for now. You're gonna get more if we find out more.
I always find it unbelievable that such great buildings are so old.
400 years, not that old.
It's old, man.
It's old. And it's very beautiful. I think also when you enter this like this red sandstone entrance gate, it's really beautiful because it's very dark inside of there and outside it's light. So you're going from the dark into the light and see the Taj Mahal, which is super beautiful.
Mosquitoes.
And super pretty. But if you want a picture of that, you probably need to be the very first to enter. And there are a lot of mosquitoes here.
That's right, white ones. I don't know about these kind of fellows.
Okay, Sascha is majorly afraid of
I am.
malaria.
Yeah, I've all kinds of sickness diseases and
Because we
itchy
always
skin.
get sick, you know. We always the
Yeah.
ones to
We're
get
just
sick.
on a recovery train. Let's see about that.
And the goal is, already teasering, to be here and still make it for breakfast in the...
Yeah, that's right.
This is the
So
plan
let's
for
hurry
today.
up. Let's hurry up. Any thoughts?
It's beautiful, even though it's crowded. I think so, like this is the tomb. And then there should also be a mosque and a guest house. We will find out what is what.
It looks fantastic. There's no doubt about it.
You know what Sascha would say? It looks pristine.
It does.
This is his favorite word.
I kind of like these microphones that you can just talk and, you know.
Yeah. And because we are wearing black, nobody sees it.
Awesome.
Sascha wants to tell us something very controversial about microphones and science.
No,
No.
I would never do that. I was thinking of starting a petition because they always make such a fuss about microphones. But every phone has multiple microphones. They use computational intelligence to make the audio even better. So come on, man. Another episode of Germans complaining. It's a beautiful, beautiful park. The whole compound is pristine. That's what it is. The word
And it's like
pristine was
really
made for
big.
this.
It's not just the tomb. There are multiple buildings.
Right.
People probably don't imagine it that way. And it gets better the closer you get. I think from there, you know it from the pictures, but the close-up is amazing.
into the mausoleum.
And it's so beautiful.
It
Like the
is.
white marble. Wow.
Let's see if we can film and take pictures inside. Normally not, but
But like everywhere is standing, you are not allowed to take pictures and videos, but everyone does. Like everyone. And the guards are standing next to it. Nobody says anything. So I'm very
fingers
confused.
crossed. Fingers
Very
crossed.
confused by the signs.
But the view from here is also nice towards the entrance
Oh, yeah.
with all of the people.
That's beautiful. And I think this is such a. I think this is such a. I think this is. I think this is such a romantic place because he loved her so much that he built her a monument. I think this is very, very.
And both are now here.
Yeah, both.
Yeah.
See, Sascha knows more than me.
The people Maddy told you about that we can't pronounce.
Yeah, we found out what Taj Mahal means, so we already knew Mahal was her name. And Taj apparently means crown, so it's like the crown of Mahal. And it's packed, man. But you know what I like about India? Everybody is dressed so colorful. So like, even though you take pictures with a lot of people in there, there are so many colors, like flowers. You know, if you take pictures of nature. Okay, we are currently in line waiting to go inside the mausoleum. You have to pay extra if you want to go in. It's just $2, but still. And you have to take off your shoes or you have to wear a shoe cover, which is also a really nice option. Inside, probably it's not allowed to film, at least what's standing there. Let's see about that. And you have a beautiful view over greenery. Wow. Oh, and the river.
Nice.
That is so pretty. I didn't expect that. I don't know, I expected maybe a view over the city, but not like a pretty park with also more red sandstone ornaments and towers and so cool. Oh, there's even like this little boat there. Look at it.
So this is the mausoleum. We already told you a couple of times, but you can't never say it enough. It's very impressive. All the ornaments, all the details, craftsmanship that you can see in this place is just impeccable. It's really nice.
I think seeing it on pictures and standing here, totally different than I expected. But as crowded as I expected, at least. So a lot of work went into this, and I think it's, even with the crowds, it's 100% worth visiting, but try to be very first in the morning. Don't bring a microphone or the right microphones, and don't take the slowest tuk-tuk driver and you're good to go.
It was a lovely morning, and now it's time for free brekkie.
Exactly. That's maybe the reason why Sascha is so grumpy. There was no breakfast yet.
Right, yeah. I only had like two cookies, that's all.
Oh, I didn't have a cookie.
Nice.
Just gave me a coffee. So I don't get cookies.
You get my love.
Yeah, that fills me up. Our Taj Mahal experience. It's lovely. You should definitely visit, even though it's very touristy. As beautiful as the pictures, promise. And now we are catching free breakfast in our hotel,
nice hotel.
So we're gonna get going to have enough time to fill us up for the whole day.
See you next time, Taj Mahal. Okay, we might went overboard a bit.
Do you think?
Especially here. No, where's that? Here. This I got sweets, I got donut, got egg, tomato,
Put the sweets
hummus.
in here.
Okay, Maddy, tell us what you think.
Yum, 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 yum. Let me eat, husband.
Okay, we're gonna let her eat. See you later.